Now we need to make a configuration for the rover with UHF radio. We'll delete this one. Now we use ER11. We'll choose the data link internal radio. Channel it's 464.25. You can choose, it must be the same as the base. Connection, rover, UHF. Now we will connect to it. Now we will see that the rover setting is turned on. Go to rover setting, just put the start base, and we will wait till the configuration is finished. Then we will go back. When the configuration it will mention as done. And then we will go back and we will get a fixed solution where the rover was connected to the base.